Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Happy Friday. It's almost Labor Day weekend, and I know you may be thinking it's been wet and rainy and stormy over the past couple of days, and hopefully Labor Day weekend's good. Well, I'm here to tell you that it will be. We just have one more day of some showers and storms to get through before a pretty nice weekend. So it's a soggy morning out there in Havre, Cut Bank down to Lewistown. If you're traveling on Highway 2, it is a wet commute. Not a whole lot of fog into the Great Falls area along the High Line either, but as we head into southwestern Montana, particularly the valleys of southwestern Montana, Helena 10 miles, but we do have some fog into the North Valley. We saw that on the camera not too long ago. Bozeman down to a mile, Butte down to a mile, West Yellowstone 3 miles. So yeah, there's some patchy dense fog out there. So if you're commuting, maybe along I-15, I-90 this morning, be careful out there. There is going to be some rain falling into central Montana for most of the day today. It's going to be very similar to what we had in Helena, Great Falls yesterday with on and off showers throughout the day. Very similar conditions in Havre and Lewistown. We will have a few showers and thunderstorms forming back into western Montana, still in the very moist air that we have. Dew points were in the 60s yesterday across western Montana. That's almost unprecedented for this area of the country. Very similar conditions today. Showers and thunderstorms move through in the afternoon and evening hours, but by then we're mostly dry throughout our area. Much of the rain activity enters eastern Montana tomorrow for the beginning of Labor Day weekend. We'll have a few isolated thunderstorms forming along the Rocky Mountain front. I think this model here is overdoing it. I don't think we're going to have that much activity across the state, just not a whole lot of moisture left there. But we could have an isolated thunderstorm over Helena, Great Falls tomorrow as well. In terms of rain left to come, not a whole lot, maybe a quarter of an inch into central and eastern Montana, a little bit less out there in Helena and Great Falls, but a few of those storms could produce some locally heavy downpours. 60s and 70s for the highs today across central and western Montana, 80s still out into the northeastern corner of the state. Here's the next 7 days for Helena. We'll be in the 70s today, warming up into the 80s for Labor Day weekend. Labor Day itself going to be the warmest day of the week of 89 degrees across the state, even some locations hitting the low 90s, 80s through the rest of next week.